Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to register a Vtech Cordless Phone to a Vtech Cordless Phone base. So how to register a Vtech Cordless Phone to the base. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now this phone is already registered to this base right here, and you can tell that by pushing the Find Handset button, okay? It's paging this phone, so it's already registered to the base. Now, if you're not registered to the base, then I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually really simple, and it will probably take you under a minute to do. So on your base, there's going to be a Find Handset button. Now, it might look like this. It might look slightly different. You might have a more complex base with all sorts of lights and buttons on it, or you might have a simplistic one like this one right here, okay? But you're going to look for that button right there. So you're going to have the Find Handset button handy, which is right over there on this base. You're also gonna have your phone that you wanna pair handy, okay? And you're gonna wanna know where the pound button is, or as you modern people say, the hashtag button, okay? Listen, it's a pound button, but I get it, it's a hashtag button as well, depending on what area you're from, okay? So it's very simple. You essentially wanna press and hold down the Find Handset button for 4 seconds, okay? Then you're going to be prompted to push the pound button on the handset that you want to pair. So essentially, I'm going to press and hold down this Find Handset button for 4 seconds, and then I'm going to press the pound button on the handset that I want to pair. Now, here are a few things to note. You have to make sure your handset is disconnected from the base before you do this. If your handset's already connected, it should, as far as I know, it won't work, okay? But if your handset is disconnected and is not registered with a base, then you can do this, okay? In addition, if you have multiple phones, then you're gonna have to choose the one that you wanna be registered with that specific base, okay? So that's basically it. Now, the whole process is quick, but after you push the pound button, then it sometimes can take like 10 to 15 or even 20 or even 30 seconds I've heard of to actually complete the registration, okay? And then your Vtech portable handset should be registered to the Vtech base, just like that. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.